So what you see here is every single Squishmallow I added to my collection in 2024. And yes, it did take a very long time to put them all on my couch like that. And then I decided, let's film in my bedroom. So here we are. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to collect every Squishmallow of each size on my bed. So we're going to start off with clips. We'll take a look at all the clips and then we'll move on to 4 inches, 5 inches, going all the way up to 16 inches. I'll count the Squishmallows in each category, then I'll add them up at the end and we'll find out how many Squishmallows I bought in 2024. Let's get to it. Okay, I'm very excited. We're going to start off with my clip collection. Look how beautiful they all look together on my bed like this. Just glorious. So I actually am going to show you every individual plush that I added to the collection this year. It'll be a quick close-up on each Squishmallow while I talk about some sort of general categories of Squishmallows. So like these clips you've been seeing here, I'll have a little title in the corner. These are just some assorted Australian releases, random clips that I found throughout the year at Australian stores like Kmart, Big W and Target. I will also talk about my favorites in a bit more detail, like look how cute this pink goblin is. I love the goblin design. Such an awesome new Squishmallow to come out of 2024. I love this turtle clip. It just is such a baby as a clip. I also love this sea slug. This is one I take around on my bag a lot with me. Moving into some seasonal Squishmallows, we've got these lovely Valentine Squishmallows. Absolutely love this little monster and Miri the moth. Her wings are just so pretty. I love her design so much. And if you've seen any of my videos, you probably know that this is one of my favorite Squishmallow designs of all time. It's a purple frog with heart cheeks and a little crown. I love her so much. These are some of the Easter clips that were released in Australia. These were really hard for me to find. I ended up ordering some offline and then I got some from Zing that were like really overpriced. I paid 10 for this frog when I usually pay 5, but it was worth it. I love my frog clips. I only got a couple Halloween Squishmallows, but this one, this distinguished purple gentleman here, this is Earworm. He's a new favorite. Now, these Squishmallows that you see here, my sister got me from Claire's UK while she was on a holiday over there. Some of them are from that like inspirational messages squad, and then these other ones are just really, really cute ones. I'm so grateful she picked them up for me. I'm so obsessed with this little mouse holding cheese and of course the strawberry frog. She is so beautiful. And I love this little mushroom guy with little wings. Absolutely adorable. Next lot of Squishmallows are Squishmallows I got at the Melbourne show. So the show is like a carnival that comes to Melbourne every year. There's lots of rides, there's lots of games, and there are lots of stalls. Now there was a Squishmallow game which I tried my hand at. I wasn't very good at, but I actually got all these clips from one of the stalls. So I just bought these. They were $5 each, which was amazing, and they were just retail. And they were from 2 squads. The ones you saw just before were the arcade squad, and then these ones here are the animals dressed up as fruits. Now as you've seen, Australia is pretty well covered with clips, so I actually didn't do that many international orders, just 3, including this Squisheroy, which is a Squishmallow with the main fabric is corduroy. So that was every clip, and there's a total of 51 clips. Next, we're moving on to the 4-inch Squishmallows I got this year. I'm starting off by showing a bunch of Christmas ornaments. These are super cute. I love their embroidery. I do have 6 of them, but I'm not sure what happened to the gingerbread. I'm hoping he didn't get eaten. This Yeti does look like he just enjoyed a good snack. Anyway, these ones you see here were also Australian releases. They were in the little mystery Christmas capsules. And then the final 3 are just random ones that I had thrown into international orders that I did over the year. And looking here, it looks like our total is 12, but remember the gingerbread, so our total is actually 13. And now, adding our 2 categories together, we can come up with a grand total of 64 Squishmallows so far. We've got a lot still to count. We are now looking at my beautiful 5-inch Squishmallows. They just look so fabulous all together like this. Starting up the close-ups with some Easter Squishmallows. These were the Australian Easter releases. We actually got 2 5-inch Easter squads, which was really cool. And just look how great all these Squishmallows are. Bunny in a hat, this bear in a snazzy outfit. There was a frog in a bow tie and a frog with an Easter belly. There was also a couple of Valentine squads, but I only got this single purple alligator. And let me just show you this. I got these on the same day. They're both 5-inch Squishmallows. How crazy is that? what is Squishmallow sizing? Who knows? Now going back to Easter Squishmallows, but not Australian releases. These cute little bunnies were released as a set of 4 on squishmallows.com. I got them off Facebook Marketplace right at the end of 2024. Now we're back in Australia looking at Christmas Squishmallows. These ones I found at Woolworths, and there are just so many cute designs. I couldn't decide which ones to get from this squad, so I just got the whole squad. Now we are looking at Squishmallows I got from blind bags. Some of these were in the breakfast dessert squad, the rest of them were from the sea life squad, and I bought a lot of bags of these specifically so I could get lots of different galaxy patterns on this turtle, because look how different they all look. So there are quite a lot of Squishmallows in this next category. These are all the Squishmallows I got from international orders. So I either ordered them off eBay or Facebook, or there were some of them that I actually picked up from someone in Melbourne, but they had ordered a whole bunch from overseas. So they originally came from international origins. Some of these were Daisos for a really long time. Like, how cute is this violet that says dream it, do it? Also, I'd been wanting a 5-inch anglerfish for so long, and a 5-inch Delilah who is sometimes actually a 5-inch Jerome. And then we're finishing up the 5-inch Squishmallows with some more random Australian releases. Most of these were from Woolworths or Coles. Miri the moth in the scarf is so nice. Foxy is absolutely adorable. I love Fuzzy the Sasquatch in a bucket hat, and Wasabi, he is one of my favourite Squishmallows of the year, if not all time. I just love him. Did anyone count them up for me? It's okay, I did the counting. There are 52 5-inch Squishmallows. And that also means that our running total for Squishmallows collected in 2024 is up to 116. Now, I did not realise how many 7-inch Squishmallows I bought until right now. They're nearly taking up my whole bed here. We got lots of good releases this year, starting off with Valentine Squishmallows. I'm extra obsessed with this whale in a top hat. He's so distinguished. And this little purple water monster. We also got really good Easter squads. We got some that were released at Target, and then we got the beautiful overall squad released at Kid Stuff. They did charge $20 for a 7-inch, which is double what most places charge, but honestly worth it because they didn't release anywhere else, and they're some of my favourite Squishmallows from the whole year. They're just so adorable. We did get a Harvest squad in spring. We got some good Halloween ones, including my favourite Halloween Squishmallow ever. Look at this glorious, glorious, glorious pair of potions. The Day of the Dead Squishmallows was so good this year. The colourful embroidery, literally gorgeous. And needless to say, the Christmas 7-inch were fantastic as well. I'm so obsessed with these sugar cookie ones. The gingerbread house, one of my favourite releases of the year. The pink holiday drink, the fruitcake, and this polar bear. Oh, I just love this outfit. I got these 3 from the Melbourne show. I'd like to say I won them, but they were actually consolation prizes because I did so badly in the game. They felt bad for me and gave me Squishmallows. And now it's time to look at a whole bunch of random Australian releases. We get 7-inch Squishmallows very consistently at Kmart, Big W, and Target, so they're very easy to find. They're always around. So many cute ones this year. My favourite one, this frog, which, like the potion, I got 2 of because I love it so much. I also really love this shark in a bow tie, this purple jackalope, and how cute is this whale in a bucket hat. And then right at the end we've got Purple Monster from Facebook, and this one, which honestly I don't even know is 7-inch. It's very small. And so, how many 7-inch were there? Exactly 47, bringing our 2024 total up to 163 Squishmallows counted so far. Now this is probably the most varied group of Squishmallows that I have. I swear every single one came from a different place. So I've got this ice cream Squishmallow from a mystery bag. This one came from Kid Stuff, and it's actually a flip mellow. This one was a thrifted Squishmallow. This one was from Target in Australia. This one was from Kmart. Okay, this one was actually also from love Kmart. We got 2 from Kmart. Also got 2 from Claire's UK that my sister picked up for me on her trip. And then I got a whole lot in different international orders. Beautiful corgi in a bow tie I went to pick up one day. This purple cinema roll I got right at the end of the year. He's so beautiful in his purple. This butterfly got lost for 7 months. And I bought this butterfly while I was crying over the butterfly that got lost for 7 months. I didn't know she'd make it. This one might not even be a Squishmallow. It doesn't have a Squishmallow tag, so I'm not sure if it's fake, but I got it for free, so. This is a random sea slug. This one also was part of the lost package. This was from eBay. One of my favorite Squishmallows ever. It is Soupy the Christmas Goblin. It is one of the most beautiful designs I've ever seen in my entire life. I got a third potion Squishmallow, but this one, it's bigger. I think I forgot to do a close-up of Tortellini. He's one of my favorites too. So a smaller category this time, only 28-inch Squishmallows, bringing us up to 183. Small category here, we have 2 10-inch Squishmallows, one of which is Belly Bolt. He's a Pokemon Squishmallow, and the other one is a thrifted Squishmallow. This really pretty cheetah. I found her at a Savers. As you can see, she's still got her tag on. Now, at this point, I would usually give you a little running total. However, I'm stopping the running totals. I only have a few categories left, so I want to build some suspense for the final reveal. So let's move straight on to the next category, stackables. So here is the 2024 stack of stackables. Down the bottom, we have Truman the Turtle. I got him off Amazon, and then the other 3 are butterflies that I got off Facebook Marketplace. These 2 are 12 inches. That one is a 10-inch. Here you can see my 10 beautiful 12-inch Squishmallows. It's a very pink and purple color theme. Miri the Moth isn't quite fitting in there, but she does have a pink scarf, so we'll allow it. Here is Miracle, the beautiful fennec fox with a bow. This is Klein, the Sakura frog. He is my financial advisor. This is Anu. She is a sea otter, and she is also a fuzzmallow. I only got 2 new fuzzmallows this year. There weren't very many released in Australia. Look how adorable Roxy is. And we have Tudor the turtle, Winnie the walrus fuzzmallow. This is Francine the frog, an absolute dream Squishmallow with her color and her little crown and her heart cheeks. Another dream Squishmallow, Naomi the lavender tadpole. I'm only just realizing, looking at them together here, look how much bigger Francine's eyes are. You can really tell which one is the frog and which one is the tadpole just by looking at their eyes. Then another dream Squishmallow, purple Loch Ness monster. Her name is Sean. She is beautiful. This is a bit of a lonely category. I only bought 1 14-inch squish this year, Sandrine the purple moth. So here are the 3 16-inch Squishmallows I got in 2024. We have Wasabi in the front, looking very dashing as always. And then behind him, my 2 purple couch cushions. They're literally the perfect color for my couch. And now it is finally time to reveal how many Squishmallows did I add to my collection in 2024. So, according to my calculations, we have 204 Squishmallows bought in 2024. That's kind of a perfect number. 204 for 2024. Now there is a chance I missed some. I did my best, but sometimes I forget exactly when certain squishes came out. If you've watched all my Squishmallow hauls this year, feel free to comment if I missed anyone, and I'll add them to our little total. But that is all from me today. I will see you soon with lots of Squishmallow videos. I've got Squishmallow hunting videos, Squish Along Series 2 videos. I've also got Sticky Rolls videos if you like my other stuff. So I will see you then. Bye!